Are you tired of styling your hair the same old way after making them? In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 different ways to style your kinky twist. And yes, you can also use this style on your braids. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Purity Mike, and this video is going to be worth your time. Starting off, I will be using my spray bottle on my hair because I noticed this kinky twist gets to tangle. Now, to help me detangle the kinky twist and also make it easy for me when I want to style the hair, I will go on to use my spray bottle, add some bit of water and also conditioner in it to help detangle the kinky twist. After that, I will go on to use my leave-in conditioner. This also help to detangle and also help the kinky twist to be soft. All of this is just to make styling a whole lot easier and to just help me detangle the hair. I make sure that I do that all over the kinky twist, and then I will go on to add my mousse to the hair. This just helps that moisture to stay. It basically just locks in the moisture, and I'll also do that all over my kinky twist. I like to start this from the tip and then go on to the roots of my braid. Now, to style my edges, I will go on to use my edge control. I did my edges previously before I started my makeup, but I think that is not as visible as I want it to be, so I'll just go back on to style my edges. And I use that edge control, a toothbrush for this, and you see how I just swipe from one side and then I use my finger to place the edges. And once I'm done with my edges, now I know my kinky twist is ready to be styled. Now, for the first style, I will go on to see if I can divide my hair in the middle parts, or like a middle part, right? I'll try and make my hair like a middle part, and that's why I always enjoy having a middle part whenever I'm braiding, because I think it just gives me the vicinity to style my hair as much as I want. So after I've divided my hair into two equal parts, or probably just try to make like a center parting out of it, I would take from the front area, right? Just take a little from the front side, and from the middle parting, I will start to twist. From the middle parting, I'll take like 2 strands, I'll twist, and then I will increase as I go. Now, once I'm done with that, I will just try and secure that with my hair pins at the back, so this would not lose, because I also have to do the same thing that I did on the left hand side. So like I said, just start from the middle part and twist from the beginning to the tip of your hair, and then I would join those 2 twists together at the back, and I will use a band, a rubber band, or any band at all that you have that would help you secure the both of them together, and then I will hold them at the back firmly. Not so tight, right? But it's going to be firm enough for it not to lose even while I get busy during the day. And that is how it's looking at the back, and this is how it is at the front. You see how basic, simple, pretty, easy and fast this hairstyle is. I like this for days when I don't really want hair to be all over my face, but I still want it to fall on my body. This just does the perfect job for that. This also looks really great for work, right? It looks really great for work, especially for the 9 to 5 girlies. For the 9 to 5 girlies, this would do perfectly for you. Now, for the second style, I will go on to pack. I'll probably try and divide this hair in 2 parts, right? So I will take half of the hair, half of the kinky twist, take it up and use some other part of this kinky twist. Just take like about 2 or 3 strands and try to pack the hair. Now, I prefer using the strands for my kinky twist to do the packing because it's always easier, it's more flexible for me, and it does the job the same way. So I will just do that, and I have what I want. This is it for the second style here. You will see how simple and sweet this is looking. This is giving the I'm a very young girl vibe. Is giving very simple, very sweet. Now to further style this, I will just go on to pack the middle of the hair, right? Or I'll try and make it like a donut style. That part that I divided, the part that I packed, I will just go on to have it like a mini donuts in between, and you still see how sweet and beautiful this is. I think this is when you just want to go off character, right? You just want to do something that you've not done before. I think this is what this looks like for me. Now to do something else, I would go on to lose that donut that I made, or like that dough I made, and then I will pack all the hair together to have like a perfect donut hairstyle. To get that perfect bun, I'm just going to use some strands from this hair or some kinky twist from this hair, and I'll use that to also pack all the hairs together. Now you still see that this is giving a really young vibes, is looking really sweet to me. Take the hair all off the face. I'm going to just make all of it a single bump, okay? Just make all of it a single donut. And this I really enjoy this style. I like the fact that this style always helps me to just elevate my face. It helps to drag my eyes. It really does well for my face. It makes my face look slimmer. So it's one of the styles that I really enjoy. So to further elevate this look, I will go on to use this head tie, and I will just take it around my head. You see how I reduce it? It looks big, but you can just reduce it to fit the head, your perfect head shape, okay? And then you just take that around your head, cover your head, right? Cover your skull, the roots of the hair, and then just allow that bump or the donut to show. And this is also really sweet and simple, something you can use for fellowship, you can use to church. You can also use this to work when you just feel like covering your hair, or when you feel that the hair is getting old and you don't really want people to see the roots of your hair. Now for the next style, we are going to just bring out some hair from the front. Just take about 2 or 3 kinky twists, bring them to your face, and then you go on to use your hair tie to cover the rest of your head. Now for this style, you're not going to overly make your hair tie to be too small. You want it to be big enough to cover the rest of your head, because we want this style to cover every part of our hair. We only want the 2 or 3 strands to be at our face, and then every other part should be covered, leaving the tip of the hair to show. And I really enjoy this style for days when maybe I want to go shopping, I want to go for picnic, just something you just want to look sweet and cute, right? You can also do a matchy with this. Maybe you're using like a flowery top, you want to use like a flowery hair tie, do some matchy thingy, and it will do just fine. I also went on to add accessories to my hair or on my head, and you can see how beautiful this is looking. It's really giving the vibe, right? So for the next style, I am going to take my hair to the side, right? This is going to be more like a side parting, so I'll just take my hair to the side. Now, you can do this on the left side, you can do this on the right side. I just love doing this on the right side because I love my center parting, or sometimes I like my center parting to be at the right side. Now, once I have moved my hair to the side, I'm going to take some parts from the front and I will take it and pass below the rest of my hair. All right, and then twist it or roll it properly. Make sure it is very tight, and then take it above the rest of my head to see or to tie the other part of my head. Okay, so I'll take some part from the front, take it from the back of my head, and then take it on top of the hair to tie properly. And this is really beautiful, especially for my 9 to 5 girlies. You're having a meeting, you want to look sweet, put together, and you are on braid. This style would do perfectly for you. I was so shocked of how well this style was looking. I wasn't really expecting it. It was so beautiful. Now, if you don't want the hair to touch your skin, you're not in the mood, you just don't want anything touching your body, okay? The hair is making you nervous, right? After you have taken the hair to the side, now you're going to take the hair from the back again. Take it now, you're going to try and pack your hair upwards, try and push the hair above, because we don't want any hair touching our body, right? And then once you have secured that, you're able to tie the hair. You're going to take the rest of your hair and try to make a bun. All right, try to make a bun, a donut, to make that, and not allowing any of this hair to touch your skin, because you're not in the mood. You don't want anything touching your skin, and you still see how beautiful this looks. This is still giving the parts, it's still giving the vibes, right? So let's say this week you can say, okay, I want the hair to touch my body, but then next week I don't want the hair to touch my body. So just play around with the styles and get comfortable, because all the styles are really comfortable, sweet, and really fast. So for this style, I will just make sure that my hair is properly arranged again, and then I will try to form like a center pattern on my head. And now take some parts from the front, not too much, just something from the front, and then take about 2 or 3 strands of this hair to properly help me tie the parts that I brought forward. I will do the same thing I did on the right hand side on the left hand side. Just take some parts of my kinky twist, take about 2 or 3 strands, and then secure the hair. Now this is giving I have a play date, right? This is giving I'm a schoolgirl. This is giving funny and sweet, right? Okay, and then to further elevate this style, or to do something, just do something with this style, I will go on to take each part that I packed, right, and then make a bun out of it, right? Take the parts that I packed and then make a bun out of it. But I think the right hand side wasn't really giving. I preferred how the bun on the left hand side was looking, so I just went on to loosen that and try to form my bun again. And this is not so bad, is it? Where will I take this style to? I wasn't sure, but I think it's still giving the play date, it's still giving the I just want to feel like a girl today. So yeah. So love, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comment section which of the styles are your favorite. Let me know which you'll be working first. I'm also going to be linking where I got this hair from in the description box down below. Thank you for stopping by, and if this is your first time, please do not forget to hit the subscription button. And on to my next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.